The latest, and as United States President Donald Trump, who's announced a one-month reprieve from 25% tariffs for goods covered under the US-Mexico-Canada trade agreement, delaying some tariffs targeting Canada and Mexico. However, they could still go into place on the 2nd of April. And to know more on this, we have Maha joining us. Maha, of course, the Canadian officials saying that there's too much unpredictability and chaos coming out of the White House, and this melodrama, this psychodrama is something that Canada can't go through every 30 days.
Yes, absolutely. And that is why Canada has said that for the time being, they are pausing the second tranche of reciprocal tariffs that they were supposed to impose against the United States in response to their 25% tariff on Canadian goods. However, the first batch of tariffs that is on about 30 billion US dollars worth of goods is already in place from the Canadian side. And the Canadian, in fact, one of the provinces, Ontario's Premier Doug Ford has said exactly what you're mentioning, that this kind of chaos is unwarranted and that they want a complete rollback of the tariffs that have been imposed by President Donald Trump. At the moment, there is only a partial and a temporary rollback that we are seeing. But the carve-outs have been coming since yesterday. The first carve-out came for 3 automakers yesterday because those automakers had petitioned to the US government saying that it will be very difficult for them to continue manufacturing if the auto parts coming in from the 2 major trade partners of the US, that is Canada and Mexico, have a 25% tariff imposed on them. And experts continue to point out that if, along with the steel aluminum tariffs, the tariffs on other auto parts as well, for instance, for this particular sector, what would happen is that the cost of the car making would go up and it would be then passed on to the consumers. So at the end of the day, they are arguing that this is bad for the consumers. This will push up inflation.